Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook barley rice. Barley is a wonderfully versatile and nutritious grain, offering a delightful chewiness and a mild, nutty flavor. It's a fantastic addition to soups, salads, or as a hearty side dish. We'll go through each step, from preparing the grains to achieving that perfect texture, ensuring you can confidently cook barley every time. Let's get started. Before cooking, it's important to prepare your barley properly. First, rinse the grains under cold running water using a fine mesh sieve until the water runs clear. This helps remove any surface starches or impurities. For cooking, a general rule of thumb is to use 1 part barley to 3 parts liquid, whether that's water or your favorite broth. While not strictly necessary for pearl barley, a quick soak can sometimes help it cook a little faster. Now for the cooking. In a medium saucepan, combine your rinsed barley with the measured liquid. Bring it to a rolling boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer gently. For pearl barley, this usually takes about 40 to 50 minutes. If you're cooking hulled barley, it will need a bit longer, typically 60 to 90 minutes. The goal is tender grains with a pleasant, slightly chewy texture. Once your barley is perfectly cooked, remove it from the heat and let it sit, covered, for about 5 minutes before fluffing it with a fork. This helps separate the grains. Cooked barley is incredibly versatile. Enjoy it warm as a hearty side, chilled in a vibrant salad, or added to your favorite soup or stew. Leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or even frozen for future meals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.